How to create community group in WhatsApp. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a community group in WhatsApp. This new feature is perfect for organizing your groups and connecting with multiple people. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. Simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Now, if there's an update available, simply update it. Now, simply open the WhatsApp app and make sure you're logged into your account. And here at the bottom, you can see the communities tab. Simply open it. Now, this is where you can simply create a community. Now, simply tap on new community. Click on get started. Enter the name for your community and additional description to explain what the community is about. You can also add a community photo here if you'd like. Once your community is set up, what you can do is you can add existing WhatsApp groups to your community. Simply tap on add group and select the groups you want to include. If you don't have any groups yet, you can simply create them from right here. Now, what you can also do is you can start inviting members to join your community. You can send an invitation link directly or choose from your contact lists in here. Simply click on invite members. You can simply click on send a link via WhatsApp or add members. Communities allows you to send messages to all members at once. You can also manage group permissions, control notifications, and customize your community settings for better organization. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp community group.